Here I have SOYES S10 mini, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then you have to enter accounts section, then tap add account, select Google. Of course you'll need internet connection to add a Google account. Next you have to enter your email or phone number. This is gonna be the tough one. Tap next. Next you have to enter your password. Tap next. Next you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing you have to tap accept here, and account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just select it here, then tap here and tap remove account, and then confirm it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.